Hey everyone, in this video we're going to teach you how to recreate one of my favorite Barbie looks, which is the Totally Hair Barbie. Let's not waste any time and get right into it. This is something you can quickly do at home and you don't need to be a professional hairstylist to have good results. It's simple to do and all you need is a wand. The results don't have to be perfect to look great as long as you're able to recreate healthy looking shiny hair that will add movement to your hair and make a statement. The first step is to start on clean and completely dry hair. To prep my hair, I use the Schwarzkopf BlondMe shampoo and conditioner. This line is formulated to help maintain the needs of diverse blonde hair types at home. The Bond technology strengthens the hair's inner structure to give you strong, supple, and shiny hair. Make sure to always use a heat protectant prior to styling to lessen damage to your hair. In this video, we are using the GHD Thin Wand, which is an amazing tool that creates long-lasting, defined, healthy-looking hairstyles. If you want lasting curls without using extreme heat, you won't be disappointed with this wand. Now, there's a trick you can do if you want to create a strong hold that will last for days, and it's going to give you more definition and frizz control. Once you section the hair, you can prep your hair by using a hairspray that's going to give you a flexible hold, such as the Schwarzkopf Osis Plus No. 1 Elastic. You'll still be able to brush your hair out easily, it won't be sticky or stiff, and you'll have movable styling control and added shine while also allowing the hair to have a more natural, lightweight, and effortless finish. I've also done this on my hair without hairspray and the results still look great and last until my next hair wash day. So the choice is yours to make on whether you want to use hairspray or not. I personally prefer not using the hairspray as my waves still hold beautifully without it, it's less damaging to the hair, and I don't like the feel of extra styling products on my hair unless necessary. It's also much quicker to style if you don't have to spray each section. You'll start by sectioning off the crown of your hair from ear to ear from the bottom, and you'll work your way up in horizontal sections. Since we're using a half-inch wand, we can take bigger sections of hair to style the hair faster and still have defined waves that will last, even if your hair is on the thicker side. This is a great technique because you don't have to waste a lot of your time to achieve good results. With a 3-barrel curling wand, you would need to waste time going down each section throughout the length of the hair to create the waves, whereas with this style, it's one and done within seconds. If you choose to apply hairspray, then spray it on each section prior to curling. Spray it on dry hair from approximately a 12-inch distance and use it in short bursts. Take about 1.5-inch sections and wrap the hair around the wand away from your face. Curl all of your hair in the same direction away from your face to achieve an even and uniform wave result throughout all of your hair. You can use different techniques to wrap your hair on the wand. One of my favorites is to twist wrap the hair around the barrel. This will give you a softer wave finish to get that mermaid waves look. Place the wand diagonally into the hair with the tip pointing downwards. Wrap the hair around the barrel and naturally twist the hair as you wrap. If you wrap the hair without twisting, the curl will be more defined, which will also look good, but depending on the result you want, you may have to spend more time dressing the curls out until they form the glossy waves. Repeat the technique of your choice, working your way up section by section with the barrel above the hair and curling away from the face. You can dress the curls out with your hands by gently lifting and shaking the hair out and blending the sections. You can also comb and dress out the curls that way. By applying a styling oil to your waves, such as the Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil, it will increase shine and softness to your hair to help you achieve a beautiful finish. If you need to shape and form the hair more, you can mist hairspray onto a brush, such as a boar bristle brush, and dress the hair out, which also helps to make the hair look shiny. Ultimately, the choice is yours to make with the specifics of how you choose to style your hair, but if you follow this general guideline, I think the results will last and look great, and you don't need to waste a lot of time doing it or spending your money as you have the ability to achieve beautiful salon-looking hair from your home. Don't forget the importance of maintaining the health of your hair and scalp so that you have a strong base to work with and to use good products and high-quality tools to achieve optimal results. These are all investments that are worth it.